NeuroGov Plus, Advanced AI, Quantum Level 5 Enterprise Cockpit is a governance-first decision cockpit built on the IGA 2026 architecture. It combines the 3D, 10D AIDNN engine, Cognitive Cube, Analyzer 1.0, quantum-style parallel simulation, and audit-ready assurance controls. Intelligence is created only in the inform layer, governed through policy and analyzer logic in the govern layer, and recorded with evidence and traceability in Assure. This cockpit is designed for enterprise-grade multi-domain use across finance, healthcare, manufacturing, education, logistics, and governance environments. What hardware is used for this cockpit? This cockpit works on standard enterprise-grade computing systems and does not require a real quantum computer. It is designed to run effectively on HP ZBook class workstations, modern laptops, desktops, and cloud environments. CPU resources govern the cockpit, Analyzer 1.0, KPI, TSI, OSI evaluation, and assurance controls, while GPU can optionally support inform layer AI, forecasting, and simulation workloads. In practical use, your ZBook is fully suitable for this Quantum Level 5 Enterprise cockpit, making it a portable governance lab for development, demonstration, and enterprise presentation. Power Summary. AI can generate intelligence, but only governance can grant it the authority to act. IGA 2026 ensures that every decision is not just intelligent, but validated, controlled, and audit-ready. IGA 2026, designed by Dr. Pradeep K. Suri, is a governance-driven AI framework that ensures AI-generated intelligence is validated before execution. Built on Inform Rightward Arrow Govern Rightward Arrow Assure, it separates intelligence from decision authority, using policies and Analyzer 1.0 to ensure every decision is controlled, compliant, and audit-ready across domains. Dr. Pradeep K. Suri is the inventor and architect of the 3D to 10D AIDNN engine, Analyzer 1.0, NeuroGov Plus Advanced AI, and the IGA 2026 governance architecture. His work transforms AI from raw predictive output into governed, policy-validated, and audit-ready decision systems for enterprise and institutional use.